and thank you for joining me for another home body weight workout. I'm a bit limited on space, so I'm gonna do traveling right now. So I'm gonna do an aerobics workout. I'm gonna do a warm-up workout, aerobics workout, and then what I'm gonna do later is sort of use this room as much as possible to do exercise, to do other exercises, chest, shoulder, back. Okay, anyway, so without further ado, I am just going to do some basic aerobics exercises. So I'm trying to get a bit of an aerobics workout and strength training at the same time, or at least fat burning around the abs and the midsection. Okay, so I can just start out by lifting my arms, then I can lift my legs up side to side. So just try to do some, every day or every other day, or 3 times a week, what have you. Just try to move your body around, get some exercise, just moving your body, swinging your arms. The more parts of your body you move, the better. Get your body moving, get your blood circulating, lose some weight. Okay, now I'm doing some twists. These are particularly good for the abs and midsection, and there's such a variety of aerobics workouts you can do. You can run in place. Okay. Move your arms up and down. Move your arms this way. You can kick. Just get your body in motion. That's the important thing. Get off the sofa. Get out of the chair, because technically your body does want to keep moving, just like when you were a child. Your body wants to keep active. Try to stay as active as you can, even as you get older. And it actually becomes more important as you get older. Okay, do a little bit of boxing. Okay. Okay, just work on your technique when you're doing aerobics. Just work on your technique. Okay. And don't throw all your weight into it. Just, yeah, just mix it up and do a little bit of this and a little bit of that, okay? We can do some kicks, or some elbows. Just kind of work on your technique. Okay. If you know a martial art, or if you know boxing or something. Side. All right, so I'm just about done with my aerobics workout. You only have to do it for about 10, 15, 20 minutes, depending on your level, depending on, if you start to feel like really tired at some point prior to strength training, because you don't want to tire yourself out too much. Okay. You can do some kicks, we do a front kick, or let's side kick, you know how to do that. And obviously I don't want to do that with the bed here. I want to do the side kick with the bed there. That's one thing you want to be careful is when you're traveling is just please don't wreck the furniture, okay? Don't wreck the furniture. Okay. You can even mix your kicks in with your just move your body, if you want to do like self-defense exercises or something like that, or if you want to stick with just, straight aerobics, you can certainly do that. Okay, just give you a quick workout. That body moving. Try to do different things. Particularly the exercises where you kind of twist your body. You lift one part of your body up, like your arms, at the same time you're twisting. Really, really works your abs. It's one of the secrets, that really works your abs out well and your obliques. So yeah, that's a really effective exercise. So that's pretty good for a warm-up exercise. I've done a lot of different things. I've incorporated some kicks and things like that. So everyone, just stay motivated to work out at home. Keep motivated. Always keep motivated. Use things around you. Think about things around you that you can use, and that's all there is to it. Everyone, stay strong out there. We'll see you next time.